you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my Rocksbox, which is a jewelry rental subscription. Before we get into the unboxing, I just want to say hi to all of you and welcome if you are new. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings and other like beauty and skincare related content every single day here on our channel. I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. We have a 9,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so I will link that at the end of the video if you guys have not yet entered. It's a big thank you to you guys for all your support. But yeah, let's get into Rocksbox. So like I said, Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription. You get 3 pieces of jewelry every single month and it costs $21. I do have a referral link I will leave down below that will get you your first box free, no strings attached. You have 30 days to decide whether you want to continue or cancel the subscription. So if you guys are interested, definitely take advantage of that. You can pick the items you get. Usually I go in, like, so you get like a stylist that will pick the jewelry pieces based on your style profile and your wish list. You can go through all their pages of jewelry and like heart them so the stylist knows what you like. And once the stylist picks your pieces, you'll get a notification. You get like 24 to 48 hours to take a look at them and swap any items. So really you can customize the items exactly to what you want. Normally I do take a peek and maybe swap an item or two, but this month will be a total surprise. I did not take a look, so we'll see how the stylist does. They have so many amazing brands, like Kendra Scott is one I know a lot of people love. Using that link down below, you will be able to browse their website. So you get it in this bag, which is reusable, so it's free shipping both ways, and when you're done with your set, you can mail it back with this bag, and there's a prepaid label inside. You do have the option to purchase any of the items if you would like to keep them at a discounted rate, and also you get that $21 you pay every month gets applied to anything you purchase. So I think that's enough information for now. Let's get this open. I don't have any jewelry on right now, so we can try on some pieces, or I could try on some pieces. The jewelry always comes in this cute little box here. And on the inside it says, "Hello beautiful." So you get a little card that has a note that says what happens next, and then it talks about the pieces inside, and it gives their retail price and also what you as a Rocksbox member would pay if you wish to keep it. I forgot to mention, if you want to keep all 3 items, you get to save an additional $10. So what happens next? Rock your stylist picks, wear your pieces for as long as you'd like. If you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something? Purchase your faves with your monthly $21 membership credit and then send back for more. Use the prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So that is what I'm reading from right there. And then they include a card that gives you tips for jewelry care. And all 3 of the pieces come in little jewelry bags. So let's start with this one. Looks like we have a set of earrings here by Estero. Ooh, these are really cool. It's like one side has a pearl and the other is like a little gold drop. I love the shape of this. This is really neat. I never use the word neat. I really like these. So what are these called? So the Estero Meadow Drops. So these normally cost $60 at retail value, but as a member, if I want to keep this, it is $51. Like, jewelry is expensive, especially good jewelry that lasts. Like, you can get some cheaper jewelry, but I find that like it tarnishes easily or just breaks or something like that. And the good pieces, like I said, are expensive. So I love Rocksbox for this reason. I can try out all these different jewelry pieces at a lower price. And also if you get like sick of something or you want to try something more trendy that might not like, you know, be around for long, this is a great way to do that too. So let's try these on. Wow, I really like these. You guys see them? Hopefully you can see okay. Got a nice close-up of my ear. But I think these are super cute. They're so different than any other pair I have, and they're lightweight too. So sometimes like heavy earrings I find can like fall off or just be a little annoying, but these are definitely lightweight but don't look like they would be, so that's awesome. So let's move on to the next piece. So far I am loving what my stylist picked out for me. So this bag says Rudiment on it, so I wonder if it's from that. Oh, I'm really excited about this. This was on my wish list. So it is a necklace, and it is part of their new Zodiac collection. So it has the Taurus constellation on here. My birthday's May 5th, so I am a Taurus. And on here it says, Rudiment styles are crafted with genuine gold and silver finishes. I have been wanting this. I love this. When I wish listed it on their website, it said it was coming soon, so they just released these pieces. And it has a lobster clasp, and it is adjustable. There's 3 different loops. So this Zodiac pendant in Taurus by Rudiment normally costs $60, but as a Rocksbox member I can purchase it for $51. So it's expensive, but it's made with genuine gold and silver finishes. It looks like there's little like crystals in the constellation. Love this. Oh, and look on the back, it has the little the bowl. Oops, I'm showing you the wrong side. So you can actually wear it 2 different ways. It's like you're getting 2 necklaces. I love this. So here it is. I'm loving this. I'm totally gonna keep this on. I'm getting takeout with a friend tonight, so I think I'm just gonna keep this jewelry on unless the next pair of earrings, which are about to open here, catch my attention more than these, but these are so fun. So it looks like we have something here by Dusk. Oh, these are pretty. These are like a little bit fancier. These are, so the Dusk 14 karat gold and silver plated, one-of-a-kind hand-set gemstones. Isn't that so pretty? Let me pull out the card. So these are the Dusk Tabitha drop earrings, and the retail price of these is $70, but as a Rocksbox member, I can purchase it for $59. These are so pretty. I love how there's like different stones or gems for each layer. And look, there's like a little heart on the very bottom. I don't know if you guys can tell. Sorry, I'm like shaky. I love these. Oh my god, I think my stylist did a great job. I was a little nervous. Like normally I like to like take control. I'm like, maybe I'm not really a type A, but like, you know, I want to see the pieces that they select, and I usually swap, like I said in the beginning, like 1 or 2, sometimes even all 3, because I'm just so happy with all of these, and I can't wait. You guys are going to be seeing me wear this jewelry a lot in upcoming videos. So the retail price total would be $190 for these 3 pieces, and I only paid $21, and again, that $21 will be applied if I want to purchase anything. So $190 would be if I like purchase this at the store. As a member, I would save $29, and then if I bought all 3, I'd save an additional $10, so that is great. I have a feeling I will definitely be keeping 2 or maybe all of these items. So I think this is great. I would love to know your opinion down below on what piece you like the best. And again, if you're interested in trying Rocksbox for free, my referral link will be down below. And yeah, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing my new jewelry with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.